You got fish and current. Oh, strong fish. Strong fish. Oh yeah. Oh, nice striper. Nice striper. Oh, get in there. Woo, yeah. Oh, I ain't got a striper in a while. Ah, there we go. It's a nice fish right there. Definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. Hell yeah. Been a while. Woo. Strong fish. It's a nice teeth too. Oh, I gotta get muddy. Oh. Strong fish. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Here we go. Another one. Oh, love it. Ah, they're so strong. And you got the damn current too. There he goes, ripping line. Yes. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Whew. I think it's bigger. I think he's about the same size. Nice schoolies, man. Nice schoolies. Flip them in my ditch. I got my net right there. Oh, come here. A little smaller, I think. God, they love these KVD swim baits. My GoPro keeps on shutting off on me. Damn. Ah, you strong fish. Come here. I'll get you back in there. Ah, get you back in there. You're a little skinnier than the other one. So, let's get one of these. Because I don't eat that much fish. And I have more fun catching them than cooking them. Oh, there you go. He's ready. See you, buddy. Oh, there we go. A little smaller, I think. Little smaller, I think. Unless I just ain't feeling them yet. Same size. Yeah. Schoolies. Damn it. God, they're so strong, man. Nice, healthy, strong fish. I love it. Thank you, Mr. Striper. Go get you some real food. guy. Take it. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. Might be the current, but that feels like a decent one. Yeah, keep running right to it, buddy. Oh, he's moving. Oh shit, almost went down. Almost went down. Ah, little guy. He ain't that little. He's decent. Oh, popped off. Not bad. Nope. Get close, but you ain't getting there. No, maybe he is. Figure it out. Chill. He got too much energy. There we go. It's another, what's that? Number 5. Less than about an hour. Not bad. He's pushing it. Barrett, nah, he's gonna be short for sure. There we go. Another one back in the system. Ooh, I got a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It must have been a school with you or something.